Denzo chekiriwo. Ono Henry Galaxy FM. Ono Henry Galaxy FM.
Henry Galaxy FM yesebo.
Mwana mbugati shortcut yafudde. Obiwuliddeko?
Shortcut yafudde yesebo.
Bannange kyavudde ku kiyabadde alwadde biki?
Shortcut oyo yalwala dda. Naye nga bw'omanyi ebyokwe kapone bagapidde kamalo kalina 2 weeks back. Kanenjogerako n'omuntu emugana emaana yosita. Wali akubye kuyitwa tebabyogerako bamuyamba bamuyambe.
Yes.
Bebecool tabyagala mu mawulire.
Bannange.
Kuva olwo leero bagambye bafudde.
Kati mu ddwaliro Bebecool yabadde asasula oba?
Yabadde asasula.
Kati ebyokuziika waagwani.
Ebyokuziika simanyi tetunnamanya kuba midandi alina okusalawo. Kati bo bagenda kunkubira bambuuli emaani.
Kale steady man, sorry.
Kale plan.
Naye ng'omukulu yakukoonako.
Omukulu tankubira munnaye ate ne bwe namukubiranga tafuna nawe omanyi awo mpanyiganiiga. Bw'ova mu kibiina Justin kuba Joshua yanzyo. Ndaba mwana sino okugenda mu maaso ate oli omanyi bwe babeera ennyo n'omunene ng'amutumatuma abantu baba ne olokoso mungi okitegeera. Bayagala ssente. Kati ze nava obuzinga bw'omanyi nga namukubiranga kakwana twakisingako mu ebyo byamusebezi ne twebuuza naye nga tankubira. Watayinza kunkubira ate alina kyaneetanga munaawe.
Tewali. Emboozi yaggweredde. Ekikundi kinaterumyokera ku ssimu awo naye ng'embeera yeeyo according to him omukulu yali tayagala ebintu bisaasaana ennyo ate yagenda n'ossalawo okuzika. I'm told shortcut abadde nephew wa Bebecool.
Kati kambuuze lwaki byali bigenda mu mawulire?
Lwaki byali tebigenda mu mawulire? Nga Denzo bw'agambye.
Kyembuuza.
Listen, omuyimbi, if anyone from Firebase or any other camp, I don't know, Leon Island or let me even use abroad, Wasafi Records, Rayvani, Muradde, Diamond Platinum talina biposting ako abayagala kyemalira
waba ina sente ezimujjanjaba.
Come on.
Kati posting to do what? You people are posting to do what?
A musician is a public figure.
Yeah. How long has it been for Shortcut
naya abera ne fans be? It doesn't matter, but at least people need to know. What's together? The argument here is
to know
he
about
posted,
what?
He posted about it late.
Hey, so was he in hospital by the time he posted about it? Because if somebody tells you omwana abadde mu ddwaliro, you don't. Somebody just doesn't go to hospital and then you just post gundi ali mu ddwaliro. That is being fake. Oshegera. Bad news.
So when do you post?
So you can post at any time. Are you taking care of the person? That is the problem. Yamurekerera. Oshegera. So you're posting for people to say sorry. Eh? What will they do? When Brian White posted, didn't you abuse him? Oshegera. We are posting mu Uganda. Here omuntu mulwadde, you post. Ye Shortcut nga ye abadde amaze ebbanga mmeka nga tali mu limelight. How long? He's his nephew. It is personal. It is his family. Eh? So when somebody is in hospital, like I said, posting, you when you are sick, do you always post for people? But you're sick. When if God bad thing happens and you die, suppose ngabadeta posting. No. People who care about you should take care about you. Senga yeta go buyambi nti, let's say Shortcut abadde you. It is okay. He has these people. I've been seeing posts about people. People are posting about him like he's dead. They have not been posting about get well soon. Even when Bebecool posted.
He posted 6 days ago.
How many of those people? Listen, let me show you now people who are posting here.
Now,
let's say like Tafu B.
Shortcut abadde ku kitanda for a period of a month and so. He's been sick.
Ku kitanda kitegeeza ki?
Yabadde abadde ki? What killed him?
Auntie, who knows? So that is what you should
So
ask.
it is not important for Ugandans to know what Shortcut was suffering from.
There is a hospital. But so we go. Yes, that is information you should get. Not Bebecool did post about him a month ago.
I spoke to Gayo ne yali mu Kiwoko bamuyitani. Ayton and Ray.
Yes.
Nkubide Ayton nemubuuza, when did you last speak to Shortcut? Nangamba Shortcut abadde detached. Like you couldn't even, you know, get in touch with him. Yakoma okwogera naye almost omwaka. This is Ayton mwennyini.
Hello?
Gye baleko ssebo.
Awo gye bali.
Ono Henry Galaxy FM.
Ese.
Mbugundi afudde Shortcut.
Kituufu afudde Shortcut.
Bannange nga kitalo nnyo.
Kitalo so.
Yabadde alwadde kyoba.
Mbadde simanyi kimuluma naye mbadde manyi kyabadde mulwadde. Naye kimuluma mbadde sikyolwa.
Gwe nga gw'obadde wakoma ddi okwogerako naye bambi?
Mbadde mpezeza ndowooza myezi nga 8. Basigala mu mwaka mbadde ndudde.
Timo, I work with you. Either when you tuva ku Galaxy in future, you fall sick and I spent 8 months without talking to you.
So is that his friend?
I don't even understand.
He
what
knew
you're
he
saying,
was sick.
Mumberas.
Naye nga tayogera naye nga tafuna attachment. You get people. Listen, the problem here, Henry Chotategera, is people omuntu bwafa, people try to say they are caring. Oshegera. And also, even if, because the statement yo yagambye mbadde ekimanyi ko nti andi bulwadde. So, obadde okimanyi, what have you taken? Eddwaliro buli omu aba akimanyi. Amanyi abantu bagagameero. Oshegera. So, I don't see really a problem of posting. No. I don't think so. Because end of the day,
Obanga agamba you would have preferred. We know of Omugenzi Radio's situation.
That was
later.
That was a situation of an accident. This was sickness. Radio yafuna accident iti bana afuna accident. Oshigira. When you go, let me take moina nnyo olugambo. You take somebody to hospital. Oh. What? For what? For who? Oshigira. Do you see the hospital that boy was in? Did it look like a hospital which is not expensive? Oshigira. Posting for who? His friends as agambye mbadde simuwuliza naye nga akimanyi mulwadde. So you post for such people. Oshege. If noiza nomubuuza ne namba ye kakati nga tagirina. So stop telling people you post for what?
Someone has died.
Kiringa ng'omutuuze okujja mu ddwaliro n'akuba ebifaananyi mbu I'm here, get well soon. For what? Come to me. Tell me, kijja kuntuuka ku mutima, other than telling people, I'm sick.
Byebyo. Shortcut will be letting you know what will be happening. I'm not sure. Omukulu besides the post, I need to do ayogene.
No, I don't think so. But the end game is a talented soul has died. Well, omukulu yajja tubulira shortcut kyaba. Some people say, according to the accidents ziyafuna ez'amasasi, kuba amasasi, wekyava maybe ebiwundu bitera ne bidda. Tumanya. So definitely ebeera report ya ddwaliro ne tulaba. I've seen also Bobby Wine post about it. Yeah. So
Book for it.
He has posted along
Many people
right
have
now,
posted almost each and every single.
you know, when you're dead, you're toba wrong. Even when he did a song about him, Mr. Mwamwa, you know, he becomes a better person. Okay, hey, somebody has died. Yeah. And also, you should know.
He has posted.
Abantu enaku zino
1 hour ago.
Yeah.
Today, the Ugandan music fraternity has lost yet another talent. Alan Masengere, Obagotumanyinga Shortcut, on behalf of Bebecool and myself, we send heartfelt condolences to his family, friends, and the Gargamel crew. We stand with you and pray that God sees you through this challenging time. So, kati, ekira kitwalisaba abadde basaba okupostinga muweze obuyambi eri family ku telephone numbers. Listen, do not contradict yourself. Please. You preferred Abuta posting. It is so why are you asking? Why did you, I am finding out. If you wanted help, I want you to give me a reason for posting. Listen, you would have put us a part of the struggle of trying to save a life. The struggle was between you know that there are sentiments that maybe something better would have been done, or maybe abayimbi balina sente. Maybe they would have collected a bigger pool of money than.
Which hospital was it?
Listen, it doesn't matter the hospital, Timo. It's not about the hospital. Basobola okutwala mu ddwaliro ery'ebbeeyi n'ofiirayo. But the question is, at least there is an association of artists. It's like DJs. It's like radio presenters. It's like footballers. There's a way it hurts them. Obutamanya kigenda maaso. Then you come back later.
Henry.
Listen, you come back later and go to Gamba, you know. Some of them would have wanted to help in one way or the other.
His friends, the musicians that are attached.
It doesn't matter whether
listen, I want to ask you, musicians that are attached to Shortcut, who are his friends, not Bebecool, where have they been? Didn't they know he was bedridden?
The way you're saying, Obanga yawudde Shortcut ku bayimbi abalala. Obanga agamba nti kati ye tabadde muyimbi.
Henry, when you get sick here,
listen. Olowooza abayimbi abalala bonga abayimbi. I don't care if they are friends or not, how they feel about this entire situation. You wake up one day, kiringa abazanyi b'omupiira be bantu bemanya balina solida. And one day you hear that so and so is dead. And you don't know what happened to them. You don't even know. Okay, family and friends aside, but there's a fraternity.
So I want.
There's a fraternity of musicians.
Was it only Bebecool who accessed Shortcut when he was sick?
He had a bigger platform to let the world know that boy Itali Burunji.
He did when he felt it.
6 days before. Yes. The boy has bbeen mudwaliro for months.
You first take care of
the condition and.
Before you speak about Facebook doesn't help.
Ebipya 2020.